I have here a kochai, a bottom mushroom, shrimp, and bok choy. And of course, this one is a minced pork. So let's do this. So this is all chopped, the mushroom and ground pork, the prawn, and bok choy and the kochai. So we have the condiments, seasonings, where's each garlic powder, ground pepper, and sesame oil with salt, of course. So let's do it. So we can all mix together. I prefer to have the vegetable more than the meat. Okay. So I have this kind of wrapper, the pastry. So let me do it. So I already started to do it. So I made like this and this one, cutie, and one of this. So I'll try to do it again. So I'm using only to seal this one. I'm using a water. So I will try to do like the simple one. Ta-da! Very simple and so easy. Just pinch in the center and fold like this and this, and fold in the end and press. Fold 1, 2, and 3, and in the end, put too much. Then pinch. So it will become like this. Then just bend. So it's bended. So it become like cutie. So I'll show you what I've done. So this is a cute one. This one, and this one. So this is actually, it depends upon what design you want. Because just create your own design. Just have for fun. Yes. So I still have a lot more. So I will finish this one and I will show you how to steam. So we'll try to cook. Just put a little bit of oil. Spread. Okay. And then heat up. Put this cutie pie. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6. Yeah. So wait until they become brown on the other side. So I want them to fry also in the sides like this. Oh. Just one side. Oops. They look pretty. Okay, then add a little bit of water. And then cover. So like this. You need to add a little bit more. I want to steam a little bit because the things inside are raw, so I want to cook. And then cover that one. So okay, once the water evaporated, so you need to stop because that's already cooked. We will turn off the fire and put them in the platter here. So they will look like this. Yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Broken, so I will show you only that the meat is cooked. See? But because it's vegetables, I don't want them to overcook, and the meat is just like very good, right? So the taste is good. It's not dry.